Hi there, Matt here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video run through of some of the more important optional features you've got on this 2018 Mini Cooper hatchback. To begin with, you've got the Moonwalk Grey metallic paint, you've got the tinted glass, the roof and the mirror caps in gloss black, you've got the John Cooper Works CHILLI pack, which gets you the 17-inch track spoke alloy wheels in black, the John Cooper Works spoiler. You get the Dinamica and cloth upholstery finished in carbon black. Also the John Cooper Works Sport steering wheel. You've got cruise control with the braking function as part of the John Cooper Works CHILLI pack. Also dual climate control. You've got the John Cooper Works door seal, plus many more features. You do have the optional mini tech pack as well, which gets you the heads-up display function. You get the Harmon and Kardon hi-fi surround system. And you get the rear view camera. Lastly, you've got the navigation package, which gets you the navigation system in the center console, Apple CarPlay, the Visual Boost radio, and you get Mini Connected. If you'd like any more information on this 2018 Mini Cooper, please don't hesitate to contact one of our sales team through the number at the end or inquire through our website.